Today we're building this cool race car. Alright everybody, today we've got a lot of unboxing to do, so let's get started. Not that one. Today we're doing this one. It's a fancy car for my son. He's turning 1, that rhymed, and my wife bought him this. So today we're going to put it together, see how cool it is, and see whether it's worth the money. It had to be shipped to us from the UK. Hello. Which means you know it's fancy.
Unboxing and review, Vilac.
Wheels. Plastic seat. Metal steering wheel. It's too bad that seat's plastic. And there's your steering and your axles. And the rest of it's just a steel body. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, there's some instructions here. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty simple. Thought that was going to be an axle, but it looks like it's steering. Shaft, that's probably an axle. Yeah, that's the rear axle. Goes like that. Bolts on in there, or rear, so it's in there. And then this is the front axle. And the steering would come up through there. And that would go through there. Trailing arm, so it's like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this bolted in. Anything else? No, it just goes right in there like that. Okay, let's get started. Yeah.
Alright, if you guys like that, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Check out some of these other cool videos like these build videos and these unboxing and review videos. And I'll catch you guys next time.